Every intermediate guitarist needs to see this. Guitar soloing is about good note choices and rhythm. If you struggle to freely solo, copy what I'm about to teach you today. There are several things I wish someone would have told me when I started soloing, early on in my playing, because I struggled with the scale, B minor pentatonic. I struggled where to start and where to sound good, the good notes, and I had no sense of rhythm. I'm telling you right here, start in the center of the scale. Extend that note, slide up to it. Use those home bass notes. Just that alone is going to take you away from this. You don't want to just play aimlessly up and down a scale. So this backing track just has 3 chords: B minor, A major, and G major 7, or just G major, because they are interchangeable. And you don't have to think about the chords playing this way. I'm going to just play the track here. Check this out. There's 3 notes that sound great over each chord, and then I'm going to dig into those notes with some rhythm. Check this out. 3 notes. Then start adding to it. That's music. That is having a good direction with the note choices. I'm just sliding up to this F sharp note here, 11th fret of the G string. 2 frets down is an E note. The first note fits perfectly over a B minor chord because it's in the chord. But I'm going to use a sliding move. And that's very important. That's musical. When you slide like that. Hammer onto the second note. It's an E note. That's in an A chord. You don't need to get deep into theory or triads or anything. It just sounds good. If it sounds good, play it. That G major 7 has a D note in it, has a B note in it, has an F sharp note in it. So you don't have to think too much. There's many notes that work. But let's target these. Pulling down to that note. And then getting back to home bass. So what I was doing is using a small box within the B minor pentatonic, using a sliding move. for those simple phrases I just created, leaving some space in between. Don't just rapidly play. Get some good note choices under your belt first. And then we can easily use the octave. Get the idea. That is the extended minor pentatonic for B minor. The key is using that sliding motion. And also the blue note is right within your grasp. You can slide up, use it. Sounds bluesy, it sounds good. For me, I overcomplicated it. I had no direction and I just tried to play too fast with no space. Use the track. Just get a few good note choices under your belt. This track just has a nice good flow to it. I'll leave a link for it. The main things I wish someone would have told me early on in my guitar career, when I started soloing especially, was to target the center of the scale. You know the scale. Start in the center and expand on that. That's your foundation. Targeting some good note choices, and you don't always have to think about the cage system and triads and memorizing all this stuff. If it sounds good, play it. And the last thing is leaving some space. Play slow and melodic. Billy Gibbons is one of my favorite players. He doesn't always shred like that. David Gilmour. So many players just have good note choices. That is very important in putting a little rhythm to it. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Let's talk soon.